How many of you have ever found yourselves stuck in a routine and feeling that you're just going through the motions? Well, I'd like to ask you a question. What if I told you that there's a way to break free from that routine and unlock a life full of wonder, excitement, and growth? It's a simple yet powerful mindset shift. Curiosity. Let me show you something. What do you think this is? Tiny candies? Confetti? No. These are the tiny pieces of plastic from our oceans. Now here's a big question. Why does so much plastic end up in the oceans? When I first learned about this, I was shocked and curious. What could we do about it? And that curiosity led me here today. Because I believe curiosity, something we all have, can help us answer questions like these and even change the world. As William Arthur said, curiosity is the wick in the candle of learning. I'm Bandagi and I'll be sharing my thoughts on curiosity, the key to a better world. That's not just close to my heart, but also has the potential to make a meaningful difference in the world. I love asking questions. My parents say I've been asking why since I could talk. Why is the sky blue? Why do birds are in a V shape? And my all-time favorite, why can't we recycle everything? Let's admit it. Kids ask a lot of questions. Around 300 a day actually. Why? Because curiosity is how we learn. But here's the thing. Adults don't ask as many questions. Somewhere along the way, we start believing we already know enough. But is that true? Now let's try something fun. I'll ask you a question and if you know the answer, just smile. Don't shout it out. Ready? Why do flowers smell nice? Can fish breathe out of water? Have you ever wondered what happens to plastic after it's thrown away? See, even simple questions make us think deeper. That's the power of curiosity. It's like an itch in your brain that only a question can scratch. And sometimes one question can change everything. Last year, I recall, I visited a beach I'd always loved. But instead of golden sand and clear waves, I saw plastic water bottles, wrappers, and tangled fishing nets. It was heartbreaking. I asked myself, why is there so much plastic in the ocean? I learned that only a small amount of plastic gets recycled. And the rest, you may ask? It ends up polluting the earth. But that one question also sparked action. From that day onwards, my family stopped using disposable plastic. No more plastic bags, cups or straws. And do you know what? It wasn't hard. Imagine if we all did that. Imagine the difference we could make. So here's my challenge for you. Start asking big questions every day. Questions about world, about nature, about your habits, and then take action. No matter how small. Every step counts. So, let me ask you, do you believe asking questions can change the world? Yes, exactly. That's the magic of curiosity. Each question is like a tiny spark that can grow into something amazing. So together, let's keep asking, learning, and making the world a better, greener place. So stay curious and thank you.